Greetings, my good friends! Our lawmakers have approved a new stimulus plan. $500 stimulus checks will begin going out to eligible Americans very soon. Seniors and Social Security beneficiaries may be eligible to receive an extra $300 a month. Please make sure to stay tuned until the end of this video to learn how you can receive additional financial assistance. Remember that I'm committed to helping everyone in this community stay up to date on all of the breaking news in Congress. Be sure to share this video on social media and with your friends and family if they need more honest stimulus news. Also, do stay tuned until the end of this video to learn who the winners are of this past Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway.
There's nothing new that we're doing here other than restoring the Affordable Care Act and restoring the Medicaid to the way it was before Trump became president, which by fiat he changed, made more inaccessible, more expensive, and more difficult for people to qualify for either of those two items, the Affordable Care Act or Medicaid. And the second order I'm going to be signing also changes what the president has done, what former president has done, and it a memorandum reversed my predecessor's attack on women's health access, and as we continue to battle COVID-19, even more critical Americans have meaningful access to health care. And so that's what I'm about to do. And again, I'm not initiating any new law, any new aspect of the law. This is going back to what the situation was prior to the president's executive orders. And the first one I'm going to be signing here is the Strengthened Medicaid and the Affordable Care Act. And of all times that we need to reinstate access to.
I have awesome news, my friends. Massachusetts Governor Charlie Baker's administration will begin rolling out $500 payments to hundreds of thousands of low-income residents in the first premium pay program of its kind in the United States. The Massachusetts Executive Office of Administration and Finance just announced that it will begin sending the payments as part of a $4 billion stimulus relief plan that was signed by the governor. This effort is meant to help some 500,000 workers who fell below the state's poverty line in 2020. And according to the Biden administration, Massachusetts residents will be eligible for the payments. That's if their income in 2020 was at least $12,750, and if their total income puts them 300% below the poverty line. Governor Charlie Baker said in a statement, "I was pleased to sign the Crisis Essential Employee Premium Pay Program into law, and our administration has worked quickly to design the parameters for the program, with plans to officially begin distribution of these payments by the end of March. This program will support those workers who served our communities, especially early in the crisis. The lower end of that rate would equate to working 20 hours a week for 50 weeks at a minimum wage rate of $12.75 an hour. For a single filer with no dependents, the maximum total income to be eligible for payments would be $38,280. Additionally, a Massachusetts resident who files with a spouse and 2 dependents, or with no spouse and 3 dependents, will be eligible with a household income of up to $78,600. Those who received unemployment benefits in 2020 will not qualify for this extra money." An administration official told NBC News that the eligibility requirements were limited to income thresholds because it was faster, simpler, and more inclusive way of getting the payments out the door. Governor Baker's administration said that the payments, which are worth a total of $250 million, will be mailed to qualifying individuals by the end of March. The $500 payments mark the first round of cash sent out to individuals as part of the total $460 million program. The administration has not yet announced how the rest of the money will be dispersed after March. The Massachusetts Office of Administration and Finance also noted that there will be a state website to help people determine whether they are eligible for these payments. The past 3 rounds of payments have really helped millions of Americans across our country. This $500 payment to low-income workers will also provide meaningful support for individuals who continue to work despite the crisis. So friends, do you all agree with me that we all should receive a $500 stimulus check as well? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. The Senior Citizens League, which is one of the largest nonpartisan senior citizens advocacy groups, currently has a petition to gain more support and attention for an emergency $1,400 stimulus check to cope with this rising inflation. The petition states that Social Security recipients need to receive a $1,400 emergency stimulus check to cope during this unprecedented inflation this year. Among the arguments in the petition is that the COLA increases are not suitable enough for seniors living on a fixed income, with the 5% inflation surge experienced over the past 13 months. The petition said, in 2021, Social Security benefits increased by just 1.3%, raising the average benefit by only about $20 per month. But about 86% of Social Security recipients said that their expenses increased by much more than that amount. One of the sectors that has experienced the greatest increase in prices is the meat industry. Although overall inflation has come in at around 5%, prices for chicken have increased by 7.2%. Pork prices are up 9%, and prices for beef are up a whopping 13% from last year. This is according to Snap Research. A $1,400 check would help senior citizens afford groceries on an already tight fixed income. Roughly 25% of low-income seniors reported food insecurity. So my friends, what are your thoughts on increasing benefits for all seniors? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, my good friends, you've come to the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. The 3 winners of this past Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway are William Brown, Diana McDonald, and Danny Marshburn. Congratulations, friends! Thank you so much, my good friends, and I hope that you all have a wonderful and blessed weekend.